Here's how you can make the ultimate onboarding engine for all of your sub accounts and control exactly where you want a new contact to go when they get into the sub account. So as you can see here, we've got an overlay that loads as soon as the sub account is loaded for the first time. And now, one thing that you can see here, I've already gone through this and I've checked all of these boxes, which is the only reason you see the left-hand sidebar. Some of you guys may have seen the images. The current settings for this onboarding engine is once it's completed 90%, then the sidebar menus are viewable and even clickable. Until then, they're not. So let's just get into it. So very first step, you want to drop in a welcome video. So that's here. So I just embedded a quick YouTube video to show you use case. You can increase the size, make it look prettier, everything else. Now the next thing you want to do is let them be able to add staff members. So when they click here, it's going to take them to Launchpad. Okay, let's say we want to install the mobile app. Of course, that's a Launchpad also. Now, next step is they want to be able to get a phone number. So when you click phone number, it's going to take them over into manage phone numbers. So what we're able to do with this tool is we're actually able to create the overlay and then guide people based off of each step when they click on it, exactly where to go, and even add settings as well as a video or instructions to each one of these steps. It works amazingly well. I'm going to show you exactly how we did it. So here it's one of the tools that we have here, and it works just this simply. So you click here, and I'll move the little video there. So as you can see, there's no action. I'll move that out of the way. So you can see here, there's no action. So when I go to setup, you're going to see here the YouTube video is embedded. Now you can do that a couple different ways. You can embed an external page. So for example, if you have a calendar that you just want to simply embed, you click here, embed the URL, and it's going to pull the page into the overlay itself. So that's one cool step. Now here is how did we make it to where they can add team members. So we select the step. Now there's no setup here, there's no instruction, which is why we didn't see that on the onboarding engine itself on that step, but we just simply click go to Launchpad. So how hard is it then to make them go where we want to go? So when you click here, it's going to take them to all of the settings inside of the sub account, edit business email, go to API key, upload the business logo, edit business logo, edit the city, zip code, so on and so forth. So everything that somebody can do within a sub account is the settings that we can preload and then guide them directly to it. Now, let's say, for example, when you load this the first time, this is the journey that's going to get added to your account. But if you want to add a new step, it's just this easy. Okay, you're just going to go to duplicate. As you can see here, it created a new duplicate, and we're just going to call this new step. And here's where we set the action. Hit save, and then the system updates, and then the overlays from that point on. Yeah, it's going to be deleted there, so that's fine. The overlay is going to be loaded and everything else. So how can you get this? You go to, which I'll be linking below this video, this step here, and the first 100 people are going to get a 14-day free trial. So hopefully this answers your questions, and enjoy.